Before we leave Florida, we are going to try some Astronaut Ice Cream. We saw this at John F. Kennedy Space Center, and we thought it'd be fun to try. So we got mint chocolate chip and a Neapolitan. Is that how you say it?
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to cut them both into 6 pieces. Oh my gosh, it's like literally wrapped up like an ice cream sandwich. Well, it's literally an ice cream sandwich, but it's freeze-dried.
Oh, can I try it?
Oh, wow.
I also found these on Amazon, and I linked it in my favorites in case you guys want to try them too. They're like $4 and some cents on there. So just kind of something fun to try. Okay, I can't cut this. It's going to have to get broken.
It's okay.
It's hard to break. It's really hard to break.
Okay.
Wasn't that kind of hard to break?
Without crushing it into a billion pieces?
Yeah.
Kinda.
Alright. I'm just going to take a bite of it.
Oh shoot, storm. I can't even take a bite.
Mmm. Strawberry ice cream.
It tastes like a
I don't like it.
Neapolitan ice cream sandwich. Because, I mean, it is.
I don't like it.
The freeze-dried part.
Catches you off guard at first. But
It's good.
that's what it is. It's definitely freeze-dried ice cream.
It's just like crunchy and kind of like melts in your mouth almost.
Yeah.
Here, I think Theron did.
Zane?
Zane didn't come try some though. Alright, and now we're going to try the mint chocolate chip. It's weird, isn't
bite
it?
Let it get some flavor. Pretend it's ice cream.
Kind of let it melt in your mouth a little bit.
Imagine it's ice cream. It's not cold, but it's ice cream. It still tastes like ice cream. It's just a crunchy ice cream.
Alright, go ahead and grab some and try it.
Right? It's
All right,
crunchy,
mint
it's
chocolate
crunchy chocolate Neapolitan. Yeah, right? That's an ice cream sandwich.
Why did you ruin ice cream?
Boy, I feel like it's better if you let it sit in your mouth and kind of melt. Like it's ice cream.
Like I said, because you get the flavor. Like it gives it a chance to...
Like reconstitute the moisture.
Right.
That was very interesting. Go ahead and eat some if you guys want some. You don't want to try it?
Not the mint stuff. It's like rubbing a cheese grater up and down my arm. Just doesn't sound like a good idea.
Well, it's fun to try. You guys like it?
No.
Theron didn't like it?
No.
Do you like it? Yeah? Do you like it, Bria? Zane? Meh. So the girls and I think, liked it more than anybody.